I don't want you guys as the engineering team I need you guys releasing hardware. I don't want you having to chase the parts or having to sweat too much on, the build planning.
If you find yourself saying, this doesn't feel value add, it doesn't need to be me who's doing it, because it's coming, it's real, we just have to find a way to make it transparent. And we just want to be able to talk about it very openly, because it's much faster for us to start communicating this way and actually get a chance to push back and engage.
We know we will reach an inflection point. Yes, they are busy, but also load them up. Once they're ready to rip with the work, they're ripping, and they're able to rip on it. Let's try to leverage those dials as much as we can to minimize the amount of work you guys are having to spend on going from it's released to we can build it.